Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use shortcut Windows key plus B. So it's useful shortcut Windows key plus B. You can navigate this action center and you can move mouse using arrow like this. So very simple, Windows key plus B. You can customize settings like this. I will show you on screen keyboard. So type OSK for on screen keyboard and press Windows key plus B. Now move like this. Press enter so you will see these old settings. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And in this video we learn how to use Windows key plus B shortcut.